Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so nervous. Look what I got today. I got my books from Spark, and I have not touched or felt or seen any yet. Okay, here it goes. Oh my goodness. It's so shiny. It's so pretty. Wow. It feels really good. Look at how thick it is. Now I know what 48 page in a paperback looks like. Wow, it really does look good. Okay, let's see. We'll open the pages. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this is really happening. Now it feels real. Wow. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. It is so beautiful. I did this. Oh my goodness, the hours and hours I spent staring at my screen. Wow. Oh my goodness.
How tiny will you be?
Jeez.
I can't wait until it's time.
It's a big book. And the pages,
When you're ready,
the activity cards. You have to laminate these because they are just regular pages. They are kind of thick, but if you want them to last a long time, definitely laminate them. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. This is so amazing. I have to say thank you to all of you out there for inspiring me to write this series. I am just so excited. This is only book one. Yummy in My Tummy is supposed to arrive on Friday. So excited. And then our next book, Chugga Chugga Woo! That will be published at the end of the month. Wow, I am just like shaking. I chased the Purelator guy down the road because I had just missed him. And well, I haven't left the house in days, but they don't like to drive up the road. And it just so happened that I saw him driving down the road, and I knew my books were inside because they were out for delivery. So when he pulled over, I pulled over, grabbed my driver's license, and I ran up to it and I said, "Hey, you have my babies." And now I have my babies. I am so excited. So if you haven't gotten your copy yet, the one that I'm holding up today does take a little bit longer to come because it is saddle stitched. And it's the only book, unfortunately, that's going to come in the saddle stitch format because they are discontinuing it. It's not very popular and it's more expensive for them to manufacture. So the rest of them will be like normal storybooks. They're called Perfect Bound, and they are very they're pressed and glued, and they're quite nice. They look beautiful, but they won't lie open quite as flat as this book. So if you want this first book in saddle stitch, make sure you buy it ASAP. And the ISBN numbers that it ends in is 8805. Then you'll know that you are getting the right one. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Thank you everyone for joining me today for this unboxing. And I can't wait to sing and play with you. Now that I have my book, we can officially start our lessons. Talk to you soon. Bye.